Hey Dave, it's Tuesday. You know what that means? It's Taco Tuesday! So I'm going to show you how to make an easy taco seasoning. That one that we've had before. It's actually super easy. Check this out. So, it's quickly 2.5 teaspoons of paprika. So let's get that in there. 1, 2.5 teaspoons of paprika. 2 teaspoons of cumin. Gotta get that cumin taste in there. Oh, it's so delicious. Hey, and then 2 teaspoons oregano. Easy. 1. Oh, it's so delicious. I can taste this mince in my mouth. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, which it's pretty difficult to find, but you should find it in quite a few Indian stores actually. Then here's the kicker: cayenne pepper. So like just like a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, but like a heaped 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and then 1/4 teaspoon of some chili flakes. Because hey, what's taco without some chili, eh? And there we go. So what you do is you then mix it up. It's like so. Oh. And then, oh, look inside that beauty. Look inside that. Can you see? Oh, it's so beautiful. So once your meat is browned, then you're just going to get the seasoning, throw it onto the meat with a bit of water and let it simmer for a bit. Just add some salt and pepper and you're sorted. Easy. Enjoy.